This next one was done with, I painted the canvas all completely black. I put the stencil on, and I've also cut out leaves and cardboard, you know, like black card, and then I've painted over them, and the flowers also are just painted, just normal black card, but they will stick up. But they're very stiff and hard, like as if you've stuck them on. So it's leaves, flowers, birds, but they're all cut out of card and stuck on and painted over with metallic paints. So it's like life. I don't know if it's going to show up all the metallics, make it glisten, but they're all leaves and card and stuck down. So hope you like. Please subscribe. Many thanks. Thank you very much. Okay, you can tell I'm new. Bye.